How to install discrete graphics card on ASUS motherboards? A discrete graphics card can significantly enhance your system's performance and elevate your gaming experience. When selecting a graphics card, it's recommended to choose one listed on the ASUS Motherboard Qualified Vendor List, QVL, to ensure compatibility with your system. Additionally, you may also want to check the user manual for detailed installation instructions. For the installation preparation, please take proper electrostatic discharge (ESD) precautions by using appropriate grounding straps, gloves, and ESD mats to ensure safety. Before we begin installing the graphics card, ensure your power supply unit (PSU) is installed securely and oriented correctly, with the fan position for optimal airflow. Next, mount your motherboard onto the chassis. Use the provided screws to secure it in place, making sure each screw is tightened properly to keep everything stable. Once that's done, you can proceed to install the discrete graphics card onto the motherboard. Again, for safety reasons, double-check that the power is off and all cables are unplugged. First, remove the expansion slot covers on your chassis. Locate the PCIe slot on your motherboard. Then, vertically and firmly insert your discrete graphics card into the PCIe slot. Hold the graphics card steady and secure it to the chassis. If you have a graphics card holder, install it to ensure the card is securely locked in place. Now that you've completed the initial installation, connect the cables to the PSU and the motherboard, ensuring everything is plugged in securely. Don't forget to install the latest drivers for your discrete graphics card for optimal performance. If you face ongoing difficulties with your ASUS motherboard, please contact your local ASUS Customer Service Center for expert technical support. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel, like the video, and share your comment below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.